In this video, I'm going to be showing you a remote job for German speaker that is paying from 18 to $20 per hour. Basically, that's what this video is all going to be about. But before I get into this video right now, if you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for right now? You know I dish out good content that is showing you opportunities that are lying down around you right now. I go in deeply to do my research to make sure I get this opportunity and bring them to you. That's what I do, and that's one of the reasons why you need to subscribe on this channel right now. So do that right now for me. Subscribe right now and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and ask me any question you have down below this video you're seeing right now. So let's head into the site that is that this job has been posted right now. And here we are right now. This is the site right now. You can see this is Zip Recruiter. You can see this is the job right now. Remote customer representative, German speaking, which means you have to be able to speak German for you to get this job that I'm showing you right now. And even if you don't, if you don't speak German right now and you know somebody who does, I'm telling you, share this video with them right now, or just share this video on your social media so that somebody, either your friends or somebody out there, might benefit from this offer that I'm showing you right now. And you know what that means. When you give somebody opportunity and that opportunity work out for them, they will definitely come back to appreciate you and say thank you for what you did. And you know one thing again, because whatever it is that you do, good or bad, is definitely always come back to you guys right there. So let's deep dive. Let's see the opportunity with this job right now. There are more details that we need to go through right now. You can see remote customer service representative, German speaking. It's a McQueen staffing, DOE, Ivory, California. You can see 18 to $20 per hour. Vision, medical, dental, retirement, part-time. This is part-time and it's good, which means this is not a full-time job that is just going to keep you down right there. So let's read this job description right now. It says must reside in California and must be fluent in German for writing / speaking. America device partner in the Haven area is seeking German speaking candidate to join a customer service team. You must be speaking with native German speaker to provide support and customer service to doctors and healthcare representative for medical device products. 18 per hour base experience, long-time contract bilingual German customer service. So blah 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 right there. So you can see this is the job right here. I'm gonna put the link to this job down below this video right now. I'm gonna put the link. So all you're just gonna do is to click that link I put down below this video. That link is gonna bring you into this job and you'll be able to just get this job right now. There's the website. I'm gonna put the website, or you can see the website right here. Just come type in this website, but I'm gonna put the link down below right now. So you can see this job has just been posted